1, dear partner from European and American automotive OEMs, many customers ask us, compared with large stamping tool shop, what advantage do you have? My answer is simple. We are not the largest one, but we are definitely your best choice. Medium-sized stamping tool shop like us actually have the greatest advantage. Why? Because medium size means easy control. We can respond to all your needs more flexible and swiftly. Of course, moderate scale never means compromise on capability. We are well equipped with sufficient CNC machines for efficient coordinate operation. Meanwhile, we have a 2,100-ton press, fully capable of meeting most of production requirements. In other words, we can offer the same production capacity guarantee as large stamping tool shops. We cherish every cooperation opportunity with our customer. We will spare no efforts and take every requirement from you seriously. Compared with large tool shop, our processes are more simple. No complicated procedures, nor delayed response. In addition, we are a group company and the same holding. We can achieve repeat coordination and efficient allocation without complicated process. Fully ensure smoothly project progress. Another issue you care about, financial security of suppliers. We have healthy cash flow, very low debts, and stable, secure operation. This means your project will not face delivery risk due to supplier financial problems. You can fully trust us. We are your reliable and trustworthy partner, always safeguarding each cooperation with solid strengths and sensory service. TTM neither too large nor too small, but fully reliable.